Hey everyone, it's Chris here from the Hot Wheels Garage, and we've got 12 pretty cool cars from the Hot Wheels P-Case to open up. Some new releases for 2020, as well as some recolors. But there's some pretty cool cars in here, so let's get straight into it and open them all up. Don't forget, smash a big thumbs up. Alright, first up, let's check out the Mazda RX3. Pretty cool in the Nightburner series. This color green looks very, very nice. Pretty cool. Next up, let's take a look at Velocita, released in this pretty nice white color for the Olympics Games series. Man, that's a bright color car. Now we've got the second release of the 2020 Jeep Gladiator in the Baja series. Grand Cross in the Hot Wheels Race Team series. I like these wheels, but not many others do. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Next up, it's alvinito. Pretty nice in the red color there. Ooh, falling out of the card. Cool, I think it's gonna be nice on the track. Next up, it's a nice recolor of Muscle Bound. I like this dark metallic black, it's actually matte black on this car. Very cool. And in the Screen Time series, it's the 70 Chevelle SS, that bright red color, very nice. Take a look at those black stripes on the hood and the trunk. Now we've got a custom 2011 Camaro in the Rescue series, all dressed up as a fire car. What do you think? I wouldn't mind being rescued by this custom 2011 Camaro. Oh, we got 4 cars left, and these two, man, I cannot wait to open those up. But let's check out the Cruiser Bruiser, another release of this car for this year, and I think this one is the better color release. Let me know what you think in the comments below of the Art Series Cruiser Bruiser with the letter T. Alright, let's check out the Eric Stone Rod. Second release for this year. This nice red color is much better than the matte blue gray that we got at the start of the year. Alright, let's check out the Nissan Silvia S13. This recolor in blue, I think, is actually much better than the grey. I'm saying a lot of the recolors are better that we're getting this time, but let me know what you think. The original release in grey or this one here in blue? And another blue recolor, the 98 Honda Prelude. Man, any color and this car is going to be perfection. Let's get it off the card and check it out. Man, take a look at that car. So simple, but so perfect.